Hi, my dear friends. I am so sorry for the delay. This is your website, and I am going to show you some tips and tricks so that you can customize your website by yourself. First of all, this is the homepage of your website. There are two major sections. Number one, this is a section, and that is called the primary menu section, or you can say the header menu, whatever you like. And the entire section is the element of this page, and at the end of this section is called the footer widgets. This is a single widget. This is another widget, but it includes another menu. I will show you how to customize this. Don't worry about it. This is another widget. This is also an widget. So at first I want to show you how can we customize this menu or these widgets. Okay, first I want to show you this customization. We can customize these these items using our customizer API or customizer section or from the dashboard. I am showing the best way. If you go to the appearance, and you will find there is an option that is called the menus. You can customize using this link, or you can customize this option. So I think this is the best way to customize the menus. So I want to click it. My net speed is not so fast, so it may take a few more times to load. If you landed this section, you can see there is an option that is called main menu and useful links. I have told you that this is the main menu or the header menu or primary menu, whatever you can say, and there is also another menu that is called the useful link menu. So if I want to change this menu or customize this menu, I have to at first select this main menu. Okay, then you can see there are the menus items like shop, about, program, successful stories, galleries, so on. So shop, about, etc. etc. You can drag and drop and change them, no problem at all. You can also add a new item from this. Like I want to add an item that is called like register. This is the available pages in your website. If you click on this, you will see all pages of your website. So you can easily add a page in the menu section, or you can add in a post, or you can add in custom link, external link. You can use the categories or menu. I can set everything. So what you can do, okay? Similarly, you can set up your shop items. So I want to show you an example that will help you to do more things following the example. Like I want to add a new item like web design. So it is an example, just an example. So I have to select it and click on the add to menu. If I click on this, you can see it is added. I can drag and drop this and set in here I want. So suppose I want to keep it at inch. Do not do anything here because it is out of your access area. So give up this section. Just think about this. So simply finally you have to save this. Once you save it, you will be able to see at the end of this item the web design page will be visible. As I do not want to use it, I am going to remove it. If I expand it, you can see there is an option that is called remove. I can remove this. You can simply remove this shop, or you can keep it. Similarly, you can also rename this any menu. Like there is a menu that is called a forum. I want to change it. like for my or so instead of the form I can give this as a support, like I have changed the level from form to support. Finally I want to save. If I save and if I refresh these, then uh, you can see, oh, now the form is now support. So similarly, if you want to make it against the forum, you can do that. Forum and save and refresh this. You can see now it is forum. So say you can simply, so I think so you can now customize your menu section by yourself. So similarly, this is the another menu you can customize it following the settings. At first you have to select the menu, like this from menu, select it, then the menu items will be visible. Okay, you can see the menu items are now visible. You can similarly change this, rename the level, or you can remove it, or you can add any new item as menu. And finally, you have to save this. Again, I want to say never uh, try to do anything in here because this is not your jobs. Okay. So I think now this menu and this menu sections you can customize or edit by yourself. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. I will try my best to help you. Okay. Now come to this other widget section like this or this section. So in the appearance, you can see there is an option that is called the widgets. So click on this widgets. You can see this is the widgets. As it is the footer, this section is called the footer section. So this is called the footer widgets 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can see there are widgets named footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, and footer 4. So in the footer 1, if you expand it, you can see, okay, these are the text. These are the texts that are being used for this area. You can change this, like I want to change this about aspiratively. I just want to make it aspiratively and remove the about what. You can just remove this and save it, and if you refresh this, and you can see now the about is removed. Similarly, you can add about. Okay, this is the music for her. Answer this. Now refresh, and you can see now the about is coming. So similarly, you can change this, no problem at all. Okay, okay, okay. Similarly, you can add more widgets here. Like I want to add another widget, like just there are the available widgets here. Like I want to organize social links, the footer one section, like follow me or please share, please share. Okay, like this and save. This are drag and drop. Just drag this and drop. If I refresh, I will see there is a flow widgets, the share me widgets, and you can see a please share. These are the items. Similarly, you can change this and this. If suppose I want to remove this, simply the delete and refresh. It will be deleted. It is deleted. Okay. Uh, I have already show you how to change this menu, and you will find out the footer 2 item, the custom menu. Here I have selected the useful menu because we have two menus, main menu and the useful links. I have used useful links here. Okay. Similarly, in the footer 3 area, you can see there is a follow us. Follow us this area. You can change, like I have set the Twitter link, so Twitter icons is visible, Facebook, Instagrams and YouTube, these four links are visible. If you have another social links like Skype or Trello or Teams or Vimeo, you can paste the link and the icon and link will be visible, then no problem at all. And that is the mailing list section. Mailing list section is the fourth footer widgets. That is the mailing chain. And you don't need to do anything to do because I have already set up all everything. You can just change the button title or the level. This is the level, you can change it, or you can change the um, button level. And the rest settings, you don't need to do anything because I have already set up to so that the field will work fine. Okay. Now come to this interior content. This interior content you can also edit them. If you want to edit them, just simply click in this icon section like edit page. This is the front page. You can click on this edit page. Simply click on this link. It will open an area, this area. Then you have to click on the edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor, click on this. It will take a few seconds to load the page to make it editable. Now everything is loaded. I am just showing you how to change it, the text or images etc. I am not showing you how to change the settings, and I request to you that do not try to change any settings because settings are going to the job of a developer or designer. You, if you change any settings, it may mess up your website. So be careful about this. Just think about the text or images etc settings. Okay, like if you want to change the text, simply click this, then it will open the text like this. I want to change like archive dot plus plus. So now this plus plus is visible. Once you have finished the editing, simply just update, then it will be set. Simply remove this and update. Similarly, you can change this section, this section, this section. Thus, follow the same procedure. Same procedure. Click this icon or this area. This icon is the editing icon. Edit. Click. Then you can see the icon. This is the icon. And this is the title. And this is the text. You can change. Click on to change the icon. You can select any icon from here. Similarly, you can follow this and this. Similar. And if you change this section and this section or this section, like this is a section I want to change it, click this icon. Click. There are 3 images. You can change, add more images. Please do not try to change any settings because it may mix up or break down your website design. So click this and add more images or remove images. No problem settled. You can remove or add. If you want to add more images, click on the add gallery. Then all images will be visible, or you can upload a new image, or you can add images from your media library and simply add to gallery section. Then this section uh, will take the image and that will be visible here. Similarly, if you want to change the video section, simply click on this, and this is the video link. You can change the video link. So and final update. Same procedure will be followed here. On this, you will follow this same procedure. Similarly, this section is also the same. I have used a plugin here. This section that is called the WooCommerce product. This is a plugin. I will show you later. And this section you have to click on this and you can see this is the title. I can change it. If you want to change this text you can say click on this icon and you can see this is the text. Similarly, in the button, click here and you can see this is the button, and this is a link of the shop page. Shop now, this is the text. You can change the icon also. Okay. Similarly, in this section, if you want to check if you want to customize similarly to this. There is the 4 items. You can add more item if you click the add new, or if you change the link, click here and you can say icons and this link. Similarly, tutor. Oh. After finishing the changes, you have to finally update. Then you can easily update the content. The same procedure or editing any page, you can follow the same procedure for this page or this page or this page. The same procedure. Whatever you have to do, just simply click on edit page. If you click on the edit page, then this interface will be opened. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now you can see this editable. If you want to change the images like this background image, you have to click this icon. Click this icon and go to the style, and you can see this is the image. You can change the image. Okay, I hope you understood. This is another section. Just click the edit button. Again, I want to say that do not try to change any settings because settings, if you change any settings, it may break down your website or mixed up the design. So be careful. Just this video guideline is just for editing any content or any images. After finishing the changes, you have to update. That's it. Now come to this success stories page or the team page, like this team page. So how can you add how can you add a member as a team member or the success story page? How can you add this? You can easily add them, no problems at all. If you go to this area like WPT post section and click on the all members, you can see this there are the members are available on here or team section. Suppose you want to add a new member, okay, so you have to click add new member, and then you will see this is the interface. Suppose I want to add a new member, like I want to myself tutorial, my bio is here. Okay, this is important section. So you have to select the group of this member, team member or the social stories. You can add more information about this member. This is like the title, short bio, or emails. You can also add the social links, like in our team member. For the team member, we have the LinkedIn or Instagram link. So you can add this, like select Instagram or Facebook and paste the link here, like Pinterest, set the link. And if you want to add them as a success stories, you can simply add here, like I want to this member as uh, success story. ও আরে কাপড়ে একটা সাপোর্ট দাও একটা লাইন দিয়ে দাও বাংলা বলো না রে so select the success stories, select it. Now you have to add an image. Prepare, select an image like this image I want to select, and finally you have to publish the member. Once you publish and refresh the success stories page, you will see there is another new member, and that is called Zakaria. If I select the new member as here as our team member, and I want to add a social link like Pinterest as database.pinterest.com and update, and go to the team area and refresh this. Yeah. Okay, let me refresh again. It is taking time to save. Like refresh. No, yeah. Team member update. Okay, update is done. Yeah, yes, it is added as a team member like Jeff Pinterest link. So this is the procedure to add a new member. I am deleting this new member as it is just an example. So I have understood how to change your pages like these pages or these pages. If you want to change these text, you can similarly click on this edit page and change this. And you can add a new member as team member or a success story page or any particular area. No problems, you can easily add them. So I hope you have understood the matter how to change the website content. If you need any more help to know anything more, please uh, try to inform me so that I can make another video on these topics. Okay, have a good day. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.